Experience the thrill of gliding effortlessly with the best hoverboards on the market. These cutting-edge self-balancing scooters are equipped with advanced features and sleek designs to enhance your riding experience. With powerful motors, smooth maneuverability, and long-lasting batteries, these hoverboards are perfect for commuters, adventure seekers, and kids alike. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best hoverboards you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Introducing the Gyroor Warrior all-terrain off-road hoverboard, our number 5 pick on the list of best all-terrain hoverboards. This hoverboard is built tough with its extra durable construction and large 8.5-inch wheels, making it perfect for off-road adventures. Equipped with LED headlights and Bluetooth speakers, the Gyroor Warrior is not only rugged but also stylish. What sets the Gyroor Warrior apart is its self-balancing capability and impressive speed. With a maximum speed limit of almost 10 miles per hour, it's one of the fastest hoverboards on the market. Inspired by Formula One racing cars, this hoverboard delivers top-notch performance. However, the Gyroor Warrior comes with a higher price tag, priced at $299. But the investment is worth it for the all-terrain functionality, solid shock absorbers, and overall durability it offers. Plus, with a 1-year warranty, you're protected against defects. Don't miss out on the Gyroor Warrior all-terrain off-road hoverboard, the best value and best all-terrain hoverboard for the adventurous rider. Presenting the Razer Hovertrax Prisma Hoverboard, our number 4 pick. Get ready to ride in style with this dazzling hoverboard that features its own built-in disco light show. LED-lighted wheel hubs and front-facing light bars create a mesmerizing prism of pulsating colors as you cruise around, making sure everyone knows you're coming. With self-balancing technology and a choice between training mode and normal mode, you can customize your riding experience based on your skill level. Powered by dual 150-watt motors, the Razer Hovertrax Prisma can reach a top speed of 9 miles per hour, and the anti-slip rubber foot pads ensure you stay in control at all times. You can enjoy up to 40 minutes of non-stop fun on a single charge. Priced at just $220, the Razer Hovertrax Prisma is the ultimate blend of style and entertainment. Get yours today and ride in an electrifying fashion. Say hello to the Xprit Hoverboard, our number 3 pick for the best hoverboard on the market. Why do we love it? Well, for starters, it's the most affordable hoverboard on our list, offering unbeatable value without compromising on premium features. With a built-in Bluetooth wireless speaker and eye-catching LED lights, the Xprit Hoverboard is sure to keep your kids entertained for hours. At just $140, the Xprit Hoverboard is consistently priced low, making it a budget-friendly option without skimping on performance. It can reach a top speed of 6 miles per hour, providing plenty of thrills for adventurous kids. The colorful lights on the wheels and the integrated Bluetooth speaker add to the fun factor, making it an instant hit with kids of all ages. While the battery life of 1.25 hours may be shorter compared to other models, it's a trade-off for the affordable price. However, the Xprit makes up for it with its durable construction and anti-slip foot pads, ensuring a safe and enjoyable riding experience. Plus, with a variety of colors and designs to choose from, your kids can ride in style. Introducing the EverCross Hoverboard, our number 2 pick. This app-controlled hoverboard from EverCross offers a unique riding experience with customizable riding modes, adjustable sensitivity controls, and real-time monitoring of battery levels and distance traveled. With dual 350-watt motors, it can reach speeds of just over 9 miles per hour and handle slopes of up to 15 degrees, making it perfect for off-road adventures. Designed to carry riders up to 265 pounds, the EverCross Hoverboard features 8.5-inch solid rubber tires that can tackle various terrains with ease. Its lightweight design allows for easy portability, and it can be fully charged in just 3 hours. The built-in LED lights provide illumination for nighttime rides, ensuring safety and visibility. Nevertheless, priced at just $299, it's a great mid-price option for hoverboard enthusiasts who value versatility and community engagement. Get ready for an electrifying ride with the Tomoloo Hoverboard with LED lights, our #1 pick. Perfect for kids and adults alike. This hoverboard is jam-packed with features that will make your ride exciting and enjoyable. With a 4-hour battery life, it outlasts the competition, giving you plenty of time to cruise around. And when it's time to recharge, you'll be back to 100% in just 1 hour, making it one of the fastest charging options on our list. But that's not all. The Tomoloo Hoverboard comes with cool LED lights that flash in vibrant colors, adding a touch of style to your ride. Plus, with built-in Bluetooth speakers, you can groove to your favorite tunes as you glide along. The Tomoloo app lets you control all these features. Though it may not be flawless, it still gets the job done. And the best part, the Tomoloo Hoverboard is priced at just $199, making it an affordable choice for those looking for quality and fun in one package with a max speed of 7.5 miles per hour. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.